Give your outdoor space a touch of glamour and take your backyard views to the next horizon with luxurious glass panel railings. Leading manufacturers Century, InvisiRail, Fortress, and Westbury are available to expand the feel of your outdoor area. The Century Scenic Glass Railing line boasts maximum view power without any view-blocking top and bottom rails. The 2.5-inch square posts have an integrated glass channel in which you simply slide the 3/8-inch thick glass panel in place. The design of the channels allow for angles from 45 to 135 degrees, available in textured black, bronze, or white to enhance any decor and accentuate your deck space. The Westbury veranda glass railing features a rounded top with a square bottom rail that holds your 1/4-inch thick tempered glass panels while delivering a finished picture frame appeal. The Westbury veranda line can be installed between posts of any material, such as their 2-inch, 3-inch, or 4-inch square aluminum posts, wood posts, and even a sleek fascia mount option to increase your outdoor view. Choose from the universal fine texture shades of black, bronze, or white. Don't let anything interrupt your view. The most luxurious glass railing line, InvisiRail, creates a look and style that demands attention. From using the contemporary clamp-style brackets on the super-thin stainless steel InvisiPost to the substantial square post kit to the nylon connectors on existing warm wood posts, InvisiRail is ideal for any modern outdoor space. Choose between stainless steel, white, or black. Give your glass railing a strong look with the Fortress PureView glass railing system. Sturdy 3-inch posts support the 1/4-inch thick tempered glass panels for a contemporary look that protects. Strong rectangular rails measuring 1 1/8 inch by 1 5/8 inch attached to the posts to create a framed final view and feature a concealed integrated nylon socket that holds the glass in place with zero visible hardware. Spacers are included with the rail kits to provide a lovely breeze along the sides of your glass panel to keep you cool on the warmest of days. The Fortress PureView glass line is offered in the stylish finishes of gloss white, gloss black, and a matte textured black sand. Create a backyard space that's sure to become the envy of the neighborhood with a beautiful glass railing system. The Century Scenic, Westbury Veranda, Fortress, and InvisiRail glass railing lines are available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your deck railing design or materials, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your project.